Welcome back to the vlog. Obviously, I'm Steph.
And I'm Chad, and today we're at Burgess Falls State Park, checking out some waterfalls. Supposedly it's supposed to be really cool, and it's been raining the past week.
It sounds really loud, so we will find out how it is, and we will take you along, so stay tuned. See a lot of water flowing, so I'm excited to go check it out. Thank goodness for rain, it actually pays off for something. Okay, so today it is about like 45 degrees. Yesterday was 70 degrees and sunny. The transition to winter has happened again, and now it's 45, but at least it's sunny, so it's not too bad. But tonight it's gonna get really cold, so we're glad we got out for a hike today before it's like 30 degrees and we can't step outside. Apparently there's 3 falls, so we're gonna go check them all out. I'm anticipating big falls. Let's see what that is. How's it look?
It's really cool. Oh, this reminds me of home. Alright guys, so fun fact, when I was born in New York, we lived in Syracuse, which is like a really country area of New York. A lot of you probably think New York's all city and skyscrapers, but it's actually a lot of beautiful green grass and a lot of space. So, we used to have this climbing tree in my backyard, only my parents will remember it. This is like identical to what it was. And I had so many memories up there, climbing on it and feeling like I was Tarzan when I was like 5. So, fun fact.
Oh my god. So it's super cool. I really like how there's obviously massive waterfalls, but there's all these little pretty ones on the sides too. They have super nice bridges crossing everything. Like, this is a really nice area and a nice trail. So we would definitely recommend it. It's called Burgess Falls State Park. It's in Sparta, Tennessee. Really nice.
Wow guys, look at this. So apparently the overlook was destroyed due to flood damage. How high up do you think we are?
Yeah, we're like I could see how it would like grow really fast.
It's beautiful though, look at that.
Well, I guess if you want to see 6 massive waterfalls in one day, this is your place to go.
It's about to be epic! What's your reaction?
I did not expect that.
All right, you guys ready? Alright guys, so we made it. It is incredibly gorgeous. It's only a mile-long hike. It increases at 350 feet in elevation and leaves you with this 130 plus foot waterfall that is freaking gorgeous. So we are just sitting here enjoying the views and we're in awe. We didn't think we were going to see this many waterfalls in such a short hike, but definitely come to Burgess Falls State Park if you're ever in the area. Or if you're kind of near the area, make the trip out because it's definitely worth it.
In typical Chad fashion, he's wanting to do the very strenuous hike. Oh gosh. When we get 100 feet and we can't get back up, I know who I'm blaming.
Side note, if anybody knows of a good backpack company, let us know because we need a backpack. Mine broke during the whole fall. If you want to check it out, link it above. Can't actually see me fall. I'm sorry, Steph missed that out. But let us know what backpack you guys like.
And this is where we stop. Very steep. Stay on trail. I don't know.
Alright guys, we did it as far as we could. So here, we'll just show you kind of our view. It's right here. There's the waterfall. That area down there is closed. It's pretty cool. So you can walk all the way down there and then you get to go pretty much to the very bottom of the waterfall, which is right there. Sadly it's closed, but we can go over here.
It's still cool. Burgess Falls State Park, which is in Sparta, Tennessee, and it's one of our favorite, I would say, state parks that we visited in our new home state. It's so beautiful, there's so many waterfalls, and honestly the trails are perfect too, so we would obviously recommend you come here. There's so much to see, and honestly it's a short trail too, so pretty much anyone can do it, which is so nice. So thanks so much for following along, and we hope you come. If you ever do come, make sure you tag us so you can see your experience too. Tag us on Instagram at TouringTastebuds, or tag us on Twitter at TouringTasteBud, and make sure you like and comment below, and don't forget to ring the bell too, and subscribe to our channel.
She says I'm the little kid.
Waterproof boots. Waterproof boots.